Let's get one thing out of the way. Nobody wants to overpay for a website, especially not $10,000, right? But here's the kicker. Those high-ticket sites, the fancy ones with sleek design, smooth performance, and polished branding, they're not always the product of months of coding or a $300/hour designer. Sometimes they're built in a day. Yep, with the right tool and a dash of strategy. Enter 10Web AI, your secret weapon. Today, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to build a $10,000 looking website using 10Web's AI website builder without burning through your savings. We'll talk setup, design, plugins, pricing, and yes, you'll see it all happen in real time. So buckle up. You might just rethink what it means to build a website. Wait, is 10Web actually that good? Look, if you've been around the block in web development, you've heard it all. Drag and drop builders, no-code platforms, overnight success stories. Honestly, most are smoke and mirrors. But 10Web? It's got Google Cloud hosting, WordPress compatibility, and an AI that doesn't just guess. It actually rebuilds existing sites from scratch. Give it a URL and boom, it recreates the structure, design, and even SEO setup. Crazy. And kind of beautiful if you hate starting from scratch. But enough hype. Let's build. Step 1. Setting the stage. Choosing your plan all right, head over to 10web.io. First decision, free trial or paid plan. Now, if you're experimenting, the free plan is fine, but for the full build and the real $10K polish, you'll want to start with the Pro plan at $10/month. That gets you AI Website Builder Premium hosting on Google Cloud. One website, custom domain support, 10Web Booster, site speed optimization, backup, security, and CDN tools baked in. Price so far, $10/month. Compare that to a dev's hourly rate, and yeah, we're already winning. Step 2. Real-time magic lets build your on the dashboard. Click AI Website Builder. And now here's the cool part. It asks you a few questions. What kind of site are you building? Business name? Services or focus? Colors? Tone? This is where the AI starts building context. It's like telling a designer your vision, except this one doesn't ghost you or charge by the hour. We tell it, build a clean, modern site for a small creative agency, offering branding, web design, and content strategy. It thinks for a few seconds. And boom, we've got a homepage with a hero image, services section, call to action buttons, an about page with dummy bios, easy to tweak, contact form, plus Google Map integration services page with feature breakdowns, all in less than 5 minutes. It's not just a template. This is a tailored site with sections built around the business concept you gave it. Like what? Step 3. Tweaking the design without coding a line. This is where 10Web really shines. You're not locked in like with most AI builders. The whole thing runs on WordPress plus Elementor, so customization? No limits. Want to change that hero image? Swap out colors? Tweak typography? Add an Instagram feed? Embed a YouTube playlist? All of it's drag and drop, no coding, and you can preview in real time. Honestly, it feels a bit like playing The Sims, but for websites. You know what's wild? You start with a full site, then adjust the details. Most builders do the opposite. They give you a blank page and say, go nuts. 10Web just gets it. Step 4, performance, SEO, mobile. Here's the thing. Building a pretty website is half the job. Performance, SEO, mobile responsiveness, those are the deal breakers for clients. Let me explain. 10Web automatically optimizes your images. It applies Google PageSpeed rules out of the box. You get SEO-friendly markup, titles, metadata, even schema. The whole site is 100% mobile responsive. Run it through Google Lighthouse. You'll get 90+ scores across the board without touching a single line of code. That's not just impressive, that's professional. So, where's that $10,000 value coming from? Let's break it down like a real client invoice. WordPress installation plus setup market rate, $500 hosting, and CDN 1 year, $250, $400 professional homepage design, $1, $200 about services, contact pages, $1, 000 SEO, optimization $600 mobile optimization $400 feed, optimization $300 WordPress, security setup $250 maintenance and backup setup $200 total estimated value $4,500, $6,000, And that's the low end. And with 10Web AI, you're doing it for just $10/month. Now that's what we call a smart investment. Now, if you're working with a top-tier agency or need complex integrations, that number can double easily. And here we are, building it for $10/month using AI. Let's talk real use cases. This isn't just for fun. I've seen actual entrepreneurs build coaching websites in under a day, portfolio sites for freelance designers, small restaurant sites with menu plugins plus booking real estate listings with filterable properties, even full-blown online courses. And the best part, clients don't care what tools you use. They care about results, speed, design, performance, and 10Web delivers. A few things to watch out for. Okay, it's not all rainbows. There are a few things worth noting. The AI does a solid first draft, but you'll need to edit the copy to fit your tone. Some layouts can feel template-y. Tweak spacing and images for that custom feel, complex animations, or custom JS. You'll still need a dev for that. E-commerce is available, but not as advanced as something like Shopify yet. So it's not perfect, but it's 90% of the way there, and honestly, that's more than enough for most small businesses. Final thoughts. Are we replacing web developers? No, not exactly, but let's be honest. 10Web is changing the game. It's not just a shortcut, it's a shift in mindset. Instead of sweating over every pixel or line of CSS, you get to focus on the big stuff. Your content, your brand, your business model. Need a quick MVP for your startup? Done. Want to offer $2,000 sites to clients with just a few hours of customization? Easy. Trying to launch a portfolio by the weekend? You'll be sipping wine by Friday night. The tool's not perfect, but it's smart, and getting smarter every day. So if you're still stuck thinking you need 5 figures to build a 5-star site, maybe it's time to change your approach. Your move, try it, build it, test it. Want to see what you can build? Start your free trial on 10Web Try. Rebuilding your favorite site using just the URL, or better yet, send this video to your developer friend and watch their jaw drop. Technology's not slowing down. But now it's kind of nice that for once, it's on your side. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this opened your eyes. Subscribe for more tech tools, real-world AI use cases, and ways to work smarter, not harder.